Hello and welcome to this Blender quick tip tutorial. In this quick tip tutorial we are going to create fog. So first select the default cube and extrude it so as to make it look like a rectangle. And now we will proceed to the shading part so as to give proper texture to it. So increasing this and now deleting this principal BSDF and we will be using volume scatter, right? So select this and connect it to the volume node. Now the realistic fog looks like some slopey texture, so first we will give a dense fog to the base and light texture to the top. So first of all we will require a texture coordinate, and what basically we are going to do is map a gradient texture in the form of its color into this rectangle. So using a mapping node we will first add a gradient texture and then add a color ramp, so that will help that like black gradient will be like no fog and white gradient will be like more fog, correct? So connecting this in this way as you can see in the video, and connecting the color node, and also along with that we will be requiring some noise texture as fog is very uneven. So for that we will be using a bright contrast node and a noise texture, so as to make it look more realistic, and connecting the object node so as to it will take the properties of that particular rectangle and create noise according to it. Now multiplying these two features will help in getting us the realistic look. So now adding a math node and changing this add to multiply and connecting these twos, which will help us to get the foggy look, but it's too dense, so we will decrease its density again with the help of the multiply node and changing the value according to our requirement. And as soon as we connected this node you can see that a little bit of fog has occurred in the slope direction, so we will change its direction so that we can get it in Z direction, but it's inverted, so we will invert the object to get the proper fog at bottom, right? And increasing this color ramp will increase the density at the lower end and decrease at the top end. So in this way you can create a fog that can be used either in Eevee or in Cycles Blender. Hope you like the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to Tech Potato for such more quick tip tutorials. Thank you very much.